So ngayon naman, let's work, since may style na yung list natin, let's work on the values of our tags. Palitan natin yung mga source and text. So for this one, let's change this into tutorial underscore 2. And then the alternate text will be Java programming. Ganon din sa h3 tag. Let me save and refresh. Oops, nasa baba pala ako nag-change. Sorry, so I'll scroll up. And on this second list, I'll change it to Java programming. Also with the heading 3 tag. So in save and preview, dapat itong pangalawa ang naka-Java programming. Okay, good. And then change the paragraph text into, you will learn here how to program from basic to advanced using Java as the language. So again, save and preview. Now we have our text here. So let's change the third list. Source will be tutorial underscore 3. And then the alternate text will be my SQL or SQL and access. So same with the H3 tag, MySQL and MS Access. For the paragraph, let's change the text into, when developing dynamic apps, you need to learn about database, that's what you will learn here. So save and preview. So the purpose of this section is para ma-present lang natin yung mga tutorials ng IT Toolbox YouTube channel. So for the fourth one, let's change the source into tutorial underscore 4 and the alternate text into PHP programming. Same with the heading 3 tag. And paragraph tag into a server-side programming that you need to learn to create web apps. And other systems. So save and preview. Now we have our fourth list. For the fifth list, let's change this into 5 or tutorial underscore 5 with an alternate text of C++ programming. Let's copy the text and paste it in our H3 tag. So paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa natin dito. We change the image, change the H3 tag, and the paragraph text. Kasi same lang naman sila ng styling. Content lang yung binago natin. So for the paragraph tag, We have a programming language, comma, that when you learn, it will be easy to learn other languages as well. So save and preview. So again, these pictures or images are from freepik.com. So credits to their website, www.freepik.com. Then for the sixth list, change the image into tutorial_6, alternate text into video editing, same with the heading 3 tag. While the paragraph text, write in this tutorial, comma, you will learn how to use Premiere Pro, comma, After Effects, and use the entity and iMovie. So let's add some more text used to add editing software like. So for the last image, tutorial_7 with an alternate text of JavaScript programming. Copy the alternate text value and paste it in the heading 3 tag, while for the text on the paragraph, type it's also necessary that you know JavaScript aside from HTML and CSS, since this will add interactivity to your web page. So now we're done with our tutorial section. So as you can see, it's just a list that has images, heading 3, and paragraph. So if you have questions and clarifications regarding this topic, please comment it down below. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.